Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Eve, and today we are doing this look. Yes, today is not about hair guys, it's all about makeup. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment down below. So guys, I'll just go straight to my eyeshadow because I have already done my eyebrows. As you can see, I did them off camera. And if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, I have a separate video on that, so I'll just pin it up there. You'll just see how I do my eyebrows. So I just go straight to my eyeshadow, then I do my face. If you have watched my previous videos, those who have watched, that is, you can tell that I do different shapes of eyebrows. So I keep interchanging guys. Like today I have done a different one. Sometimes I do like an arc, sometimes I do like flat eyebrows. So just note that it's good to change. If you don't like one kind of shape of eyebrows, you can always change your eyebrow shape. So now I'll start my eyeshadow game, and guys, I am in love with this palette. I keep reusing this palette. I don't know why, I just love it. So hope I'll just forget about it after some time, because guys, I'll start off with transitioning with this color here, this shade. This is kind of maroon. Then I'll just do this nude here, just on top of the transition, so that we can blend that harsh line there. So let's do that. Next, I'm going to cut my crease using the LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. Next, I'm going to use this gold here. Ooh, so pigmented guys. Then I'll finish up with this same shade that I used on my transition and blend this out. Wow, I already love that, guys. Guys, I'm done with that look, so I'll just go ahead and do my lashes. And today I'm using these beautiful lashes, and they are kind of dramatic guys. They're called Malika, and it's by NK Lashes. This is a Kenyan brand guys, so if you need this, I'll just hook you up guys, and I'll link their description there so that you can know where to get these beautiful lashes. So to fix the lashes, I'm going to use Divas Cosmetics eyeliner. This one, it's a magnetic eyeliner. So this is the glue that I always use. I'll just wait for it to dry, then fix the lashes. That's my look. See the difference, guys, with and without. I'm loving the lashes, guys. Ooh. So I'm going to do this other eye off camera, then I'll be back to do the face. Woo! Thank you NK Lashes for these amazing lashes. So I'll go straight to my face now, and have already done my primer, so I'll go straight to the foundation. For the foundation, I'll be using this stick foundation from Black Opal, BLK, guys. So I love stick foundation, guys, because they have full coverage. So guys, I'm done with my foundation, so I'm going straight to highlight, and I'm using a Girl concealer in the shade beige. This is beige, and I have fawn. So I'll be mixing the two, since today I just want it to be a bit lighter. I just want the makeup to be just a little bit lighter on this part here. So I'll go ahead and mix these two. Next, I'm going to set using this Wet n Wild banana setting powder. I'm going to contour using this LA Girl powder in the shade Cocoa. This is dark, as you can see. It's darker than my shade by far. So I'm going to contour using that. You can also use a cream contour, but sometimes I prefer the powder contour. I'm going to finish up with this powder. It's called LA Girl Pro by Classic Tan. This is in the shade Classic Tan. Blend, blend, blend. Blending is game when it comes to flawless makeup look, guys. So always make sure your blending game is okay. Make sure you don't have any harsh lines, so that's why we blend, blend, blend. Next, I'm going to take my blush. To highlight, I'm using the J-Cut highlighter. I'll now go ahead and set that makeup. For my lips, I'll be using this Divas Cosmetics lippy. This one here, it's in the shade In Love. So guys, this is my final look. See the glow, guys. See that glow? Can you see that? I love this look. And I matched the transition color with my lippy color. How cool is that, guys? Let me know whether you love this look. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Cheers.